Welcome back. Now we're going to go over step 4 of the furnace tune-up. It is a verification of proper airflow and static pressure. So we have certain tools that when we connect them to this unit, one into the return where all the air is pulling out of your house, and then one into the supply where all the air is coming back into your house, it verifies the static pressure of the unit. What we're looking for, it needs to be within manufacturer's specs. So if we're looking for 0.5 inches of water column, 0.75, whatever it is, but we need to make sure the unit is doing exactly that. A unit that can't breathe right because the static pressure is too high is prone to failure, is prone to higher utility bills, hot and cold spots in the home, and also can be very, very noisy. What we tend to see is that a unit that has really high static pressure has a firebox back here where everything is being warmed up to add the heat to your air, and that firebox will suffer thermal stress. It will get too hot and start to warp and bend. You get black marks in it, just like burning, just like a welder's cutting torch cutting through metal. Similar kind of thing. So we want to make sure that this thing can breathe right. So imagine yourself running up a hill in extreme heat, running a marathon, breathing through a straw. Essentially, high static pressure is doing the exact same thing to your furnace.